Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Emsterla and we're still in Rome. Aalis kami. Ayan si Habi. Mag-hi ka muna, Habi. So, I'll be doing my makeup. Travel makeup sa mainit na panahon. First things first, babasain ko muna ang aking sponge. So first is, I'll be using this Charlotte Tilbury Makeup Foundation Primer. Pwede din siyang gamitin ito lang. And then, what I always do is mix this with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Yan siya. Super lightweight lang nito, so it's perfect for the weather today here in Rome because I think it's like around 31 to 34 degrees today. I normally put it under eye. I don't use concealer. I'm not fan of concealer unless I'll be doing a heavy makeup. Pero pag ganitong mainit sa labas, hindi ko na siya trip. And then of course blend it with my beauty blender. Always store it in my nose. On my nose, wala, not in. Wala sa loob. Mag-start na ako, hindi magsasalita kasi mas madaling mag-edit. na to masyadong huhulas sa init. Medyo mataas ata yung humidity dito. Sherry, what can you say with my makeup?
Maganda.
Let's go!
Tara.
Bye guys! Thank you for watching!